Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of us. Since you guys may know already, the 6.0 is right here. We're waiting for camshaft and other little parts.
And today, since we're waiting for parts still, we're finally got a good lead on a good project so we can drop that engine in too. So we're hyped, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, so we're beyond hyped. You know, it's been a while since we've been thinking about possible candidates or like a good project for the engine, and I think we found one. I think we found a pretty good one, so I'm super hyped. So right now we're just gonna go, you know, to the bank to make sure we're good, so we can go pick it up. So let's go. So we just left the bank right now. So we're ready to go. So the car or truck we're gonna check out right now, we think it's a pretty good project, is a 68 Ford short bed pickup. I haven't seen those, you know, done up or LS swapped or anything like that. You know, they're not really common. So I think, you know, it should be a good project for us. So again, we're hyped, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, so don't know how to say this, but we got some bad news. It looks like the truck's sold. I just got a call from a guy right now. I guess, you know, someone just swooped in and sniped it basically from us. You know, we were looking forward to it, to, you know, getting that truck, to be honest, not gonna lie. It's a bummer, but you know, I'm pretty sure we'll find something decent we can throw that LS engine into. So, you know, back to the drawing board. So let's go, you know, think of a new plan to see, you know, what we're gonna do next. So right now, I mean, there's no point in going over there anymore since there's nothing else to see over there. So let's go get back home and, you know, start brainstorming more ideas and see what we can come up with. So let's go back home.
So guys, we're back home. We just came back from meeting. We grabbed something to eat real quick, and so we were thinking, you know, like, damn, you know, we really wanted that truck. You know, it was something you do see it swapped, you know, Coyote swapped, some LS swapped, but you know, something new for us because we never had a Ford, you know, with an LS motor. But that's something we really wanted, and then it was gonna be a good deal if it went through, but you know, fucking sucks. They beat us to it, and so for a while now I've been trying to convince him to work on this project he has here. already that it just been sitting here collecting dust, literally, like it just getting deeper and deeper, you know, full of stuff on top, and you know, just getting rusted. So right now I convinced them, and we're gonna check it out, and maybe this is gonna be the car that this LS motor is gonna be dropped in, you know. Not really common. There is a couple probably out there, but something a little different. It's not your typical, you know, Chevy LS swap, you know, old school. This is something you guys gonna be like, what the hell, but it should be pretty good.
All right, so since my brother brought it up, I didn't really think about doing that for that project in particular, but now thinking about it, it sounds like it could be like a real fun project car, to be honest. So let's go show you guys what we're talking about. So you might have been wondering what all this mess is right here. This is
can you guys guess what it is? I'm gonna take all this junk out on top of it. Maybe bring it back to life.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so here it is. A lot of junk on top of it. We're gonna roll it forward right now, but the rear tire is flat. So we're gonna put some air real quick so we can show you guys. Alright guys, so here it is. You're gonna move it forward, roll it forward a bit. Dale más. Right. Está bien. You guys ready to see this project?
Alright.
Como niño con juguete nuevo. Here it is, guys.
Alright guys, so this is a 1974 Datsun 260Z. You commonly just hear about the 240Z or the 280Z, but this is like the middle child. The 260Z only came available 1 year, which is 1974, which means this car is smog exempt. A little backstory to this, I bought it a while back actually. I was planning on doing a Resco mod on this because it's smog exempt, which is definitely a huge bonus here in California. You know, it was just one of those purchases that I've had one of these before. Had I think it was a 76 280Z, and I just loved it. I loved the car, but unfortunately I had to sell it. You know, and ever since then, I've been wanting one for forever, basically. So when I bought this one, again, like I was saying, I was trying to do, the plan was to do a Resco mod. You know, try to keep it mostly stock, you know, keep it original, you know, do little upgrades here and there. I wasn't, you know, planning to do anything crazy with this build right here. But, you know, thinking about it, an LS swap on this bad boy should be fun, to be honest. Alright, so little history I know about this car. Like, it's been out of circulation since the early 90s. Maybe, I think it was like 93 or so. So it's been a while since it's been on the street. Look up the right here. But, you know, like I said before, I wasn't really planning on doing anything crazy to this. For those of you that don't know, the hood pops up the opposite side from the back. Alright, so as you can see here under the hood, it does have the 2.6 liter engine that came with the 260Zs. These are pretty rare, I would say, since the 260Z itself is pretty rare, since they only made them for 1 year, which was 1974. The plan was just to rebuild it, you know, keep it stock, keep it running, keep it chugging along, you know, just pretty much like a little weekend project, you know, thing. And to boot, it is a 4-speed manual transmission, which is a huge bonus over the automatic transmissions for sure. You know, and like I said, I've always loved these cars, you know, especially if some of you guys are into like anime and stuff, watching Wangan Midnight. So that's definitely a huge, you know, huge influence on me, especially with this car and all the other cars that are previewed in that anime right there. You know, with all that being said, you know, I'm pretty sure this is the one. This, I mean, it seems pretty spacious enough. I've heard about, you know, a few people doing the swaps. I've never personally seen one in person, so it would definitely be a nice project to have and to actually, you know, come to fruition. You know, what do you guys think? You know, make sure to drop a comment below to see if it's something you would like to see. You know, I really think this could work. We have things to plan out for sure. But it looks like this is the one for sure.
Guys, so like my brother said, I don't know, what do you guys think? Should we do the LS swap on this? Little small for me. Probably make this shit convertible or something, but looks nice. It'll be a good, nice project. So, you know, comment in the comments below, what do you guys think? Or pretty much a lot of room here. He had it for years sitting here. Clean title, I believe. It's been out of the record since probably like early 90s. He has the pink slip somewhere in there. But yeah, let me show you guys a little bit. What is this, a V6?
Straight
V6, straight. inline 6. You know, manual transmission. Has this little for the battery right here. Has pretty good room. Mini fan right here. Look at this little fan. Let me show you guys the interior real quick. Let's see if I should open this. Dash is there. Seats are here. Look at this. This is for like a 5'5". I'm a 6'2". I ain't gonna fit up in here, but look at it. Got the extra parts back there. So we never got this car running when he bought it. It needed, I believe, ¿qué ocupaba? It needed like the carb, no? To get it running.
I have the carbs in the back.
The carbs are sitting back there, but
it was missing the fuel tank. I got that fuel tank also. For sure it needs a rebuild since it's been sitting for so long. Hopefully the engine is good. Never really checked it, to be honest.
we never turned it over, but he had bought some extra tank. No, we bought a tank and
Yeah,
for the fuel.
Yeah, I definitely got a few parts for it, that's for sure.
He had bought a couple parts for it, but yeah, we never got it actually running. Since I think the carbs go over there on that side.
Over here, here, and here.
But the plan, well, his plan was to rebuild it original, you know, keep it stock, nothing too, just a Sunday cruiser. But here it is. I'll show you guys the extra parts he got here. You got all this.
There's a tank right here. There's an expansion tank for the gas circulation. The original carbs are still there. Flat tops. Useless for whoever you want to ask. And just little parts here and there that I've gathered. Alright guys, so with that being said, this was going to be the then for this video right here. I think we found a winner right here with this one. Again, you know, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. You know, tell us what you think about it, you know. I mean, I'm past excited for this. You know, we can finally get it running. We can get it, make some space in the driveway finally. You know, with this actually running. Yeah, so with that being said, see you next time.